take a look what is happening with Pepe. Pepe, guys, is still trending all through some bad news happened. So there's this coin called WAGMI, and after I saw it on trending, actually fell down by 40% today. Wow, but this was a pretty small token. I guess it's kind of, we're all gonna make it coin. Saudi Pepe is up 83%. So just looking at this, it does give me a lot of confidence on what's gonna happen next with crypto. Overall, I do think we have a lot of potential for this, but there's a lot of tokens today. Like Shib is up 3%. It's one of the biggest gainers today. Up 3%. That's nice. You know, it's the biggest gainer, but there's actual no losers, I'm guessing. Okay, never mind. We have losers here, and Pepe is the biggest loser of today in terms of losing value. So, there's a lot of tokens over here. You know, Terra Classic is just behind with 2-3%. 2-3% is nothing compared to like being 33% down. But Pepe being the down on the low. Why? Because there's a meme token season right now. It's kind of like stopping on a halt. It's kind of waiting for the next bull run. In my honest opinion, we're kind of waiting for the next bull run, and that's what's really important. I do think Pepe has a lot of potential if it sees another draft. Be sure to smash that like button. It's still up 2,600%. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace everyone. Shiba Inu is removing supply really fast. Shiba Inu burn rate soars by 8,000%. Now that is an amazing number, guys. Be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. 3 billion SHIB torched in just a single week, which to me is incredible. It's incredible. Think about it. Billions burned. But that being said, despite the rise of other meme coins like Pepe and Ladies, SHIB has maintained its momentum. It's been going out there. And it's been going really strong. The development of Shibarium has progressed steadily, unaffected by the emergence of new competitors. Although the price of SHIB has not experienced significant growth, the burn rate of a token has been steadily increasing. In fact, the community successfully burned over 50 million SHIB today. 50 million SHIB is a lot of money. It's about, well, 50 million SHIB is about $5,000 if I did my math correctly. Actually, could be a bit less than that. It could be $500 today. But this is an 8,000% still. Doesn't matter how much it is. If SHIB goes up, also the burn rate goes up. The top burners in the Shiba Inu ecosystem are Unknown Wallet and the Shib Superstore, which is really awesome. You know, Shib Superstore doing work out there. Thank you so much. The anonymous wallet conducted a single transaction, bringing a substantial amount of 40 billion SHIB tokens. The Shib Superstore declared its participation, and we have burned a total of 3 billion SHIB last week, which is a pretty big amount, especially during the bull run. This was a pretty big amount, 3 billion. Continue to draw the losses despite increased burn efforts. After a bloody week, the asset was only up 1.4% over the last 24 hours. The holders of the asset continue to suffer. Data revealed that the whopping 81% of SHIB holders were enduring a loss. 81% is down, guys. What's going to happen? Are you one of those 81%? The SHIB burns, as people ask, are still happening. Even doesn't matter if it's bull run. It doesn't matter if it's a bear run. We are seeing, you know, still great stuff ahead. This is what I noticed. I need to see. This is I'm gonna be making another video on this Certix AAA list, but I kind of am afraid about this. What's gonna be next? I'll keep you guys updated with more drama. And what do you guys think about the burns? Do you guys think they help or not? Let me know in the comments below. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace everyone. Shiba Inu is no longer on Certix AAA list. Let's bring in the drama, guys. If you have eaten today, if you got your coffee, let's check out the news for today. The reduction of numerous meme coins in recent months have raised doubts about the credibility of established cryptocurrencies. The SHIB community, in particular, became increasingly wary as the price of the asset remained stagnant, and significant developments were still awaiting release. Adding to concerns, Certic, a well-known blockchain security firm, dropped SHIB from the list of top-rated crypto assets. Well, what do you guys think about this? Do you guys think this is fair? Do you guys think it's not fair that it's dropped? It's dropped from the thing, basically. It's dropped from the whole level, I guess. I mean, I don't know how to feel about that. Adding to their concerns, Certic, a well-known blockchain security firm, dropped it from the AAA list, and it's lost its AAA ranking and has fallen to the 51st ranked security score. We start to see more updates soon. It's on rank 51. It's on now AA. It's top 5%, which isn't that bad. But considering it had top AAA, why did it fall off? Skepticism surrounding Shib's legitimacy, and then raised questions about its security and reliability in the eyes of the community, and a lot of Shib members left. Several calling out the Shib member for playing with their investment. A few others went to claim that the meme coin was dead. A lot of people are mad at Shiba Inu. A lot. In addition to Satoshi Kasuma, the lead developer, came in. One Twitter user said, I've said many times in the community that Shib will crash because of Satoshi. Now I'm getting closer and closer to that. So pitiful. Shiba Inu, you know, it's like that market in 1930s, how this entire crypto market crashing. And there's like salt to the wound, guys, because Pepe is going up and Shib is down on the low. And this is just an extra salt to the wound, like really. I don't think a lot of people are happy about that. I honestly don't feel that Shib, should, I think there should be justification. I think it's also a possibility, in my opinion, that a lot of people, have their AAA listings over here, and now it has suddenly dropped because it's lower in price. Still top 5, but rank 51. I don't know. It's just a Certic ranking, but why are people so afraid? They don't know what a security score is. But could be that the security score has gone downhill because it's the metaverse and they cannot check few codes. There could be multiple reasons for this. There could be thousands of reasons for this. And a lot of people are just sick and tired of Shib dropping when Pepe, its enemy, is going up. They're frustrated. People are frustrated with Shib. They're not frustrated at Certic. They're not frustrated at anyone else. They're frustrated at Shib's price dropping down. And I think that's really important to note. But hey, there's many more months ahead for Shib. Do you guys think the metaverse and everything else will change Shib forever? I personally think it can make a huge improvement for Shib. The metaverse can only improve Shiba Inu. The hype is down now for Shib, but what will happen to Shib next? Like, Shib is sleeping right now. If it can catch its momentum, it's going to be next level. Be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. A whale has just sold millions of Pepe. Millions. Look at this. 40 million volume dump in the past few days. Ain't that crazy? This is the lowest we have seen this week and the lowest we have seen this month. Pepe coin holders sell tokens for losses. Large Pepe coin holders are now experience loss as they sold significant amounts of the token. The article examines the on-chain reaction and markets. People are... One address sold a staggering 375 billion Pepe, value approximately 439,000, incurring a loss of $142,000. He sold a $142,000. He lost that money. But maybe he's thinking, okay, Ethereum is going to be playing safer. That's crazy to me. Like, market is crazy because BNB is on a downtrend. But one of the holders sold for a $142,000 loss, sold $500,000 of their Pepe. People are saying Pepe is going to crash even more. Who knows? But one thing is for sure, it's still up. It's still up. This is great news, but just seeing this breaks my heart where it used to be. It used to be 3 times more. 3 times, like something like that. 4 times almost. And now it's 25% of its peak, which is not that bad, actually. We all knew there was going to be happening a correction. But where we saw from before, a whale selling at a staggering 375 billion Pepe tokens. Why did he do that? He sold at approximately $439,000, 690, incurring a loss of 76 Ether. Why? I'm not sure. But he sold that. And the wallet made $2 million from prior trades, cutting a $150K loss during a mini black swan. SEC suing Binance just means they're preserving their capital. If Pepe was getting rugged, we would be at decimals already. So this one said that the wallet already made $2 million, so he's just selling for a smaller loss. People are not looking at the full picture. Maybe he bought some of it. And, guys, be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace, everyone. Bankrupt crypto lender still holds 5.1 trillion SHIB despite selling. According to a look on chain, bankrupt crypto buyer broker Voyager continues selling its assets and has reportedly sold a significant chunk of SHIB holdings, which means SHIB is gonna keep crashing. Despite this, it still holds onto a significant amount, 5.17 trillion SHIB, which could be a trillion crash, as I was saying in my previous videos. Be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. This represents an estimated value of 57 million being sold. 57 million. So Voyager sold 1,500 Ethereum and received 2.25 million USDC 2 hours ago. Selling price is 1,500. Voyager is still selling assets and currently holds 233 million Ethereum. 57 million SHIB that's probably going to be sold. 57 million SHIB. I kid you not. They're probably going to sold to give it to creditors at a discounted price, I'm guessing. The situation has raised questions about what this means for the value of SHIB. Some speculated the lender may be waiting for a more favorable market before selling their remaining SHIB. 57 million, that's a lot of money. While others believe that maybe other factors at play. In two instances, 300 billion SHIB was moved by a bankrupt crypto broker to Coinbase crypto exchange in the past week. 300 billion. Look on Chain also reported that 28 million transferred from Voyager to Coinbase from mid-February to start of March. So some of this got sold. Expectations for the launch of Shibarium Beta will remain. Shibboleth developers thesis with a cryptic tweet, confirming with a ghost a second time, joining projects that had indicated support for Layer 2 solution. Bunnyverse token official has announced that they fully support Shibarium and Satoshi Kasuma's vision for a decentralized future. As regards SHIB burning, in the last 7 days, a total of 176 million SHIB tokens have been burned, while 11 million were burned in the last 24 hours, which could actually create a huge crash as a lot of these are selling their SHIB. This is not good news at all. This is not good news at all, and I don't like it. And people were saying, you know, why are they selling the customer assets? That's a big question, but to answer very short, I'm guessing, in my honest opinion, they're basically doing, you know, what they need to do is sell their assets. Voyager has to sell, evenly distribute back to users. The problem was Voyager users should have voted no to Binance, like they should have voted no to FTX. There's a lot of things, but nobody actually mentions SHIB over here. The bad news here, though, is this guy owns a lot of SHIB, and SHIB still hasn't been sold. That's mean the crash hasn't happened, but SHIB has been pretty stable at the past few days. They did sell kind of some SHIB here, or they sent it to a specific address. Look at this. This is a specific address. This is a specific address, so I'm guessing they're selling 200 billion over here. And they sold 300 million 3 days ago. Which is interesting. Like, what are they doing with this SHIB? This is a lot of Shiba Inu. This is 57 million. That's 5 trillion of SHIB. That's a lot of cash. Voyager is now bankrupt. A lot of people kept their money there. Are they going to get back their SHIB? Are they going to sell their SHIB? Why are they selling this? I'm not sure. But I'm actually kind of afraid. And it's pretty scary to me. That's pretty scary. They have $233 million of Ethereum. What would you do if you had $58 million of SHIB? Would you sell it all? Let me know in the comments below. But if they sell this, Shiba Inu is going to crash hard and it's going to cause a trillion crash. Be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace everyone. This is a make it or break it for my career in Shiba Inu. There's so much to talk about SHIB today, so be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. But trillions of Shiba Inu tokens snapped up as SHIB's price hits turning point. Shiba Inu token purchases by large market participants totaled 26 trillion SHIB in the past week, according to cryptocurrency intelligence into the block. The data only takes into account addresses whose SHIB turnover accounted for at least 0.01% of the total daily trading volume, and there's a lot of people buying SHIB right now. That's pretty amazing. Make it or break it. As you can see, balance of purchases sales. The initiative in the SHIB is now side of the bulls. SHIB could be updated to its minimum of this year. Constellation on the bottom came. Look at this. SHIB is actually down. What I'm trying to say is SHIB is down right now. It's definitely down, and we have not been expecting this. As long as this SHIB price continues to move sideways, we can expect bulls to continue to dominate. So we could be seeing, basically, in layman's terms, in very simple terms, we could be seeing SHIB go up as long as we see SHIB do well. If the price does not show the growth in the future, or worse, renews the low of 0. We can say that Shib token broke it. So if Shib goes down even more, it's not going to look well. But if it goes up, it's completely predicted. And as you can see, the balance of purchase and sales, the initiative in Shib is now on the side of the bulls. Sales by large participants during the week were counted by tens of trillions, but their aggregate number was almost 300 billion. So big whales bought trillions and trillions of tokens. Shib token purchases by large market participants made 26 trillion. So the big whales are still buying, but someone keeps selling big. He keeps selling big, you know? And that's the big issue I have today. There's one whale and, you know, some other small holders that are selling at a loss, obviously 80% loss, which, you know, is their decision. You don't know their situation in life. Maybe they are going bankrupt if they don't sell their Shib. There's one person selling a lot of Shib. Who is it, guys? Let me know in the comments below which whale you think is selling our Shib, and he probably has a good reason. You shouldn't be mad at whales for selling, for taking profit, even in a bear market. Some of these whales have to add their positions for their highly leveraged trades. Maybe they're leveraged 50x, maybe, and they have to keep adding more funds. You don't, like, people are mad at whales for selling. Guys, if you were a billionaire, if you could be a billionaire with Shiba Inu coin, I think everyone would take at least a few $1,000,000 to diversify. But there's a lot of big whales still holding, still buying, accumulating, and that's what gives me hope for Shib. You know, there's like a lot of updates. That's what gives me hope for Shib overall. And these burns, the Shibarium, all of this gives me hope for Shiba Inu's future. What do you guys think about this? Let me know down in the comments below and smash that like button if you haven't already. Just a quick update for you guys today, and I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Until next time, peace everyone. Shiba Inu just leaked burn portal on Shibarium revealed. Seems like Shib is getting its own burn, and it's gonna be, you know, competing with other meme tokens. And that's what I'm really excited for. I personally think Shiba Inu Shibarium's leak was huge. A preview of the user interference on Shib burn mechanism in Shibarium. Amount of bone waiting to be burned. I guess they're going to be burning more bone. You'll be able to initiate a burn once the amount of bone will be ready to burn is greater than 10 bone. Continue and complete burn on Ethereum. No ongoing transactions. If we're going to be seeing Shib on its own portal, the ecosystem's layer 2 network, Shib actually leaked. Lucy Shib, which is a content marketing specialist, the Shiboshi's NFTs for DMs open Discord. Recently, leaks of the Shib burn portal, the layer 2 network, have been released by a Shib community. Shib Informer, anonymous member of community, unveiled these leaks. So Shiba Inu has been leaked by Shib Informer, one of the long-standing members. A notable yet anonymous member. Information from the interference indicates that the system will charge transaction fees in bone, aligning with the original concept. The bone tokens will be obtained from these fees. Let's check a closer look at this picture. Wow, looks nice though. I like the design. Complete burn, amount of bone waiting to be burned. Initiate burn. So there's going to be burning bone, not Shib. I mean, that's a pretty great idea. All through, a lot of people wanted to burn Shib. Shib's already burning, guys. This is going to be only good. This cannot be bad for a Shiba Inu coin. When the burn transaction is initiated, the accumulated bone will be swapped for Shib tokens and then burn. It's important to clarify the current mechanism does not involve the insertion bone tokens. Instead, bone tokens will be converted to Shib, and the resulting Shib tokens will be sent to the burn address. So, bone tokens will be basically swapped to Shib, and Shib tokens will be sent to the burn. Feature is that the burn transactions will be initiated manually rather than automatically, which data from the Shibarium documentation confirms that the burn process will be carried out by users. A lot of people were suspecting a normal burn, but this is basically a thing. Hey, if you want to burn your bone, you can do it. You know, we won't force you. Lucy, another prominent member of the Shib community, also drew attention to the leaked interference. Lucy emphasized the burn pearl is currently at alpha testing stage, which is definitely an improvement. That indicates that the interference and structure of the pearl are subject to change before the public beta test. As previously reported by the Crypto Basics, Shibarium will burn Shib with 70% of its base transaction fees. Wow. It will burn Shib with 70% of its base transaction fees, with the remaining 30% will be allocated with network maintenance. I guess servers are really expensive. The mechanism is expected to significantly support the birdie campaign, and it's going to burn more Shib, and this is how Shib is going to fight back, depending on the adoption rate Shibarium receives. The committee continues to champion the burn initiative, having incarcerated 3 billion Shib, and they're ready. They're really ready to fight, and they're ready to burn more Shiba Inu. This leaked report gives a glimmer of hope for Shiba Inu. It's been crashing hard, guys. But it definitely gives back a bit of hope, and that's what I like to see. There's hope. There's still hope, and Shib has been in the slumps. It's been in the dark. It's been with the mud on the street, and it's been not seeing much activity. But potentially, we're going to be seeing Shib going up again, which I definitely do hope so. But what do you guys think about this? Be sure to smash that like button. I'll keep you guys updated with more news. Comment and subscribe for more news like this. And until next time, peace everyone. What is going on with the crypto market? This is pretty much insane. Let's talk about Pepe. Let's talk about all the news today. Binance down 10%-ish, but immediately rebounded kind of, which is pretty crazy to me. Right now we're seeing the biggest moment in crypto. This is the biggest moment in crypto there's ever going to be, because what we're seeing right now is even Shib being down, someone selling order Shib and Shib going slightly back up. Soon is Shib going to be a security? We can see all of these tokens taking a huge hit, because if no one can be able to buy crypto in the US, what's happening with the SEC, if you guys haven't checked that out, be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. But what the SEC basically did is they sued Coinbase and they sued Binance, and this is the big problem right now, because if you look at this, they mentioned a lot of these coins are securities, and if it goes through, a lot of these companies, they won't be able to sell crypto. They won't be able to sell Pepe to the US investors, to the US holders, and that's pretty scary to me, if you're asking. This is the biggest point in crypto we ever have. Maybe we're going to get so regulated we won't know what's happening, and Pepe did have a huge rebound this week, which is not bad at all. Not bad at all. But in my honest opinion, Pepe just plummeted. We have been seeing so much different things in the last crypto day, 2 days. I've been just watching the news all the time. It shocked me. It really, really shocked me with what was happening with these crypto projects getting regulated. Because if we get regulated, if we cannot be on exchanges, we're going to go under a major, major issue. The major issue is going to be that all these tokens could be potentially crashing. Like the global crypto market is 1.13 trillion. So 1.13 trillion. Here we're seeing market cap of Pepe being $500 million. So in a total scale, this is a pretty small thing, right? But a lot of these tokens are going down under, because either they're listed as securities. Terra Classic is up now. I got to make a video on Terra Classic as well. But the big important thing is, this is going to be a key moment in crypto today. And that's what's going to be the big difference in crypto. It's going to be a key moment. We're potentially going to be seeing tons and tons of these cryptos going up and down. And if everything goes well, this is going to be great news. So definitely be sure to smash that like button for more content. I'll keep you guys updated. Until next time, peace out.